Hey guys, welcome back to Resourceful Living Homestead. We are here at our local co-op, Scott Propane Fuel and Feed Store. We're gonna go inside. They have a little bit of everything. They've got plants out here. They just got in. They have a full line of rabbits. They got,
there he is,
our Resourceful Living Homestead rabbits, our New Zealand.
how's Jaden today?
They are selling up here for us. These two guys have not sold this week, so they will be going back home with us. So on Saturday mornings, we pick up what has not sold. And then Monday morning, we bring a new batch in. This is these guys' second week here, as the other ones were aging up to bring in. So we'll bring them back in on Monday morning, a new batch. These two will go home to grow out for freezer camp. They also have nesting boxes. They sell the rabbit waterers, rabbit feeders. They've got Resourceful Living Homestead nesting boxes, handmade by Brian and I. They're selling here. They have everything you would need for rabbits, chickens. They have these feeders also for the rabbits. They have a full line of rabbit feed, rabbit straw, rabbits, the nesting boxes, the waterers, the feeders, and they'll be getting their chickens next week for a full line of chicken. They have their chicken feeders and waterers. They have chicken feed. They also carry the straw and the hay. So there's Brian picking up these two bunnies that haven't sold. We're gonna go out and show you what all kinds of feed they have.
But we did sell one. You only just keep record of it?
No, we'll get payout today.
Okay.
So every Saturday when we come to pick up the rabbits that have not sold, they pay us out for the rabbits that did sell. So here's their full line. They have chicken feed, cow feed, rabbit feed. They have a full line of feed. Any kind of feed you might need, they have here. They also sell deer corn. They have straw and hay. So they are a full line of whatever you need for your homestead and your farm. So we are happy to have partnered with them on selling our rabbits and our nesting boxes that we make. I'm gonna take you out here and show you the straw and the hay that they carry. And they also sell bedding as well. Now, they are located on Hudson Highway 62, 102 in the Rogers, Avoca, Arkansas. They also have co-ops in Hinesville and I believe Huntsville as well. Now the name of their co-op is Scott. They are previously Anderson. So I still call them Anderson, but they are now Scott. They sold out to Scott. And here they have hay. So whatever you need for your farm, your homestead, they have hay and straw as well. I believe that's the hay. And then the straw over here. So we buy all of our straw Any bedding that we purchase, we'll purchase here, because they're a one-stop shop for anything you might need for your farm or your homestead. So check them out. Scott in Rogers, Avoca, Arkansas area. They sell diesel, fuel, propane, DEF fluid, and anything you need for your homestead or your farm as far as feed and all the accessories. And they'll be getting their chickens in, I believe, around the 26th of March. So that'll be next week. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.